Hey everyone, welcome to the Devolutions Studios. I'm Max. Today I'm here with Jessica. How are you?
I'm great. How are you, Max?
I'm good, thanks. Today we're here to showcase Wayk Now, which is our new remote assistance, remote support tool from Devolutions.
Yep. I heard you need some help.
I need help. Typical use case, I need help with with Devolutions web login, which is our browser extension for password, to retrieve my passwords.
Yeah.
And I called Jessica to get help.
Exactly. So we're showing how Wayk Now can be used. A technician can help another user by having some control over their screen, but at the same time, the user can see the screen.
So I think without further ado, we can get in the demonstration right now.
Yeah, you just want to explain to me, this is my screen right now?
So this is, the screen you're seeing is Jessica's screen. And behind me on the television, this is my screen, right?
Yeah, this is going to be our way that we're going to explain the process, the login process. It's simple, but we just want you to see both sides.
All right, let's get started.
Great, so what's your source ID?
My source ID is right here, so it's 243433.
Great, I'll click connect. I just put in the target ID. Now I will need your password, Max, please.
All right, my password is right here on the screen. So it's M4WGTF.
Let me just check that okay. And I log in. There we go.
And you're logged into my screen, right?
Yeah. Look, I'll just, I'll open Chrome. Put up your hand so everyone sees that I'm doing it. There we go. So I'm opening Chrome.
Okay. And I have issues logging into my cloud account. So
how do you now?
I do on cloud.devolutions.net. So.
Okay, so we see I'm controlling his mouse and I can even type for Max. We're going to the cloud to see what the problem is.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, your username and password isn't showing. We see here in Devolutions web login, it doesn't have any credentials.
What is the problem, Jessica? Please help.
I think I have an idea. Have you opened RDM?
Oh, no, it's not.
Okay, let's open RDM and see if that's the issue. So we see here, I'm controlling the screen.
Yeah.
But you can see everything I'm doing. So I can teach you that way. You can learn. It doesn't seem like it's magic.
The typical remote support use case. And now
let's just check if that was
all right.
There we go. Okay.
There we go. Perfect.
Easy as that. So
you just remotely connect to my computer using typical source ID password.
Exactly.
And what is the other option that we have?
So we have another option to log in. I'll just close this session and show you. I still have your target ID.
Okay.
So I'm going to click connect. And here where it says authentication, we're using the remote password. That's a password that was automatically generated, right? And you gave to me.
Yeah.
We can also go with prompt for permission.
And the password is regenerated every time you want to connect, right?
Exactly. So this one, the prompt for permission is a little bit different. We have my friendly name. So my friendly name is Jess. And I can write a friendly text. It's something that Max will recognize so that he'll let me access his computer.
Okay.
So I'll write Devolutions support. And then I press request. If we just show them your computer,
there you go.
We'll see what showed up.
Yeah. So I now have the prompt for response from Jessica, so I can accept it or deny the invitation. And if I accept it, of course,
I see your screen again.
You're now logged into my computer.
So it's really simple. It's quick. It's fast. Easy. Right.
I like that. And what other options do we have with Wayk Now?
One of the first I'll show you is the chat. So right now we're doing a video.
Yeah.
So we're talking to each other.
We're side by side, but the typical use case would be, of course, you would be in your office. I'll be in mine.
Exactly.
We can be in separate buildings.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I can send you a chat, and it says, "Hi, Max."
And it's right there on my screen, so I can just say, "Hi, Jess." There you go.
Yeah, exactly. So that you can chat with somebody, and that can help a lot, right? If you're trying to explain things, because usually you wouldn't be speaking like we are right now.
Yeah.
In a future version of Wayk Now, we will be able to have mic support.
Oh, that's great. And what else? Do we have file transfer, maybe?
Sure. So let me just show you file transfer. I'd go up here, and I can send you a file For example, just a simple text file.
Yep.
There, it's already been transferred. If we click on your screen, here it opens
In my Wayk, my download.
Wayk
dash
download,
Wayk
so you can
folder.
then access it.
Okay.
That's one thing. We also have copy and paste from my computer. I have a file open on my computer. I just have the URL to download Wayk Now.
Okay.
So I just copied it.
Yep.
And I'll go back to Wayk Now, to your screen.
Yep.
Open Chrome, open your browser, and paste it. So this is where you would download Wayk Now, and I just copy pasted it into your URL.
Awesome. Any other options? I can see on the remote execution, but just so you know, this is one is it available with the free version, the remote execution, or?
No, this is because I have the enterprise version.
Okay.
So remote execution, it lets you run, you can run a program, a command,
Yeah.
or a batch script, PowerShell, and that's with the enterprise version, which is the paying version.
Yeah.
Also, with the paying version, you can run multiple sessions at once.
Because the Wayk Now, as it is, Wayk Now is free for both personal and commercial use.
Exactly.
So that you can remote support, remote access computers without even paying for it.
Exactly. It's free. As I said, the enterprise edition, it's the remote execution, and running multiple sessions at once would be the two big differences.
There you go. Any other options you want to showcase before we go?
Sure. I'll just show you that in Wayk Now, in File Options, this is where you can configure things for your session. So that's where I put in my name. I can also, right now I'm using the generated password, which is each time. We could make it custom, and that would be the same all the time. This is where you allow prompt for permission as well.
Okay.
In access control, so I showed you file transfer, remote execution, clipboard, chat. We can change it here. So chat, we had as allow. We could have it as confirm. That means that
Before.
you have to do this before the session, exactly.
Oh, okay.
So if it's on confirm, it will ask you, do you want to chat?
Okay.
And disable means you just can't use it.
Okay.
And then there's also more about security and certificates and credentials. I think that's basically everything you need to get started with Wayk Now.
I think so as well. And to get started, wake.devolutions.net.
Exactly.
Give it a try. It's super lightweight, quick, easy support.
Yep.
If you have other questions, you can always contact us. We have, if you take a look at the YouTube channel of Devolutions, I also did a Q&A session with Marc-André, who is our project leader for Wayk. And I think that's about it for today.
Well, thanks for having me, Max.
Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.